Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel send friend request on Facebook. So from your Facebook account, let's tap our menu button on the bottom right corner, and then you may go ahead and tap your profile page. So this is the first thing that you can do if your account is not in professional mode. Tap the three dots and then tap for activity log. So in case that your account is not yet in a professional mode, you can do this by tapping also our activity log under connection. So you will be able to see there the send friend request and you can cancel that. However, if it's professional mode, then you can see the number of following, then tap on the three dots on the on the right side, and then you can see that there is a friend request, then you can tap it to be canceled. So let's try to visit the account and try to check this if our sent request has been canceled already. So as you can see, it's now back to add as a friend. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.